Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the error 0x800f0907 on Windows Server 2019-2022. The error 0x800f0907 occurs frequently when users attempt to upgrade the net framework on their Windows server. When the error occurs, users are unable to make the requested changes to the net framework. This error can have a variety of consequences for users. Simultaneously press the Windows and R keys and enter gpedit.msc. In Group Policy Editor, follow this path. Computer Configuration. Administrative Templates. System. Locate Specify Settings for optional component installation and component repair and open it. Select the Enable button. Mark the following checkbox and click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Next, reopen the Run dialog. Type the following command and click OK to update the Group Policy Editor. Then restart your Windows server. Open Command Prompt with option Run as administrator. Run the following command. Press Enter and wait till the scan is finished. Once done, run this set of commands. Wait till the scan is finished, then restart your Windows server. Download the Net Framework Repair tool. We will put the download link in the video description. Launch the program on your Windows server. Accept the terms and agreement. Click Next to begin the diagnosing process. The tool will provide you with the changes required for the net framework to run properly. Click Next to apply the changes. Then try again.